Let's start. The project name is the broadcast receiver. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about an implicit broadcast and a local broadcast. A broadcast is implicit when the intent of the broadcast does not mention the destination component. And a local broadcast is the one whose scope is limited to this particular app only. Let's see the project structure. We have set up the view binding at the app level build.gradle file. Here we have the main activity. And in the UI, we have an activity_main.xml file, which is the layout of the main activity. Let's see the UI. In the activity_main.xml file, we have a text view that shows some results and a button to send a local broadcast. Let's see the Kotlin code now. These are the imports. This is the main activity. These are the data members. In the onCreate function, first, we set up the view binding. Then, we configure the implicit broadcast intent filter. Here we have mentioned the action as airplane mode changed, so this broadcast is supposed to be fired when the airplane mode of the Android device is changed. Then, we configure the local broadcast intent filter. Here we have mentioned the action as some random text. This text would be used as an ID of this broadcast. When the button is clicked, first, we create an intent and mention the local broadcast's name in it as an ID, then we have put some key value data in the intent. And then we send the broadcast. This is the implicit broadcast receiver. The onReceive function gets called when this broadcast receiver is fired. In this function, we show some data in the toast and in the text view as a result. This implicit broadcast will be fired and the airplane mode of the Android device is changed. This is the local broadcast receiver. The onReceive function gets called when this broadcast receiver is fired. In this function, we show some data in the toast and in the text view as a result. We will fire this broadcast from a button click event. In the onResume function, we register both broadcasts. In the onStop function, we unregister both broadcasts. Let's run the app. When I click the button, a local broadcast gets fired, and we see the result like this. Now I will turn on the airplane mode. As you can see, an implicit broadcast got fired, showing the status as true. That means the airplane mode is on. Now the status is false. That means the airplane mode is off. So our broadcast receiver is receiving the airplane mode activities successfully. So that's it. That's how you can implement an implicit and a local broadcast receiver in Kotlin Android. Thanks for watching.